off the grid. What do you have to say about that shit? That's crazy.
Straight on in, guys. Once you get down the steps, go left or right, all right? Go left or right once you get down here. Build a dam. But how do you do that when the natural flow of the river continues between the canyon walls? Well, the answer were cofferdams. You saw those in the movie Upstairs, but they actually had 2 cofferdams on site. They had a 100 feet tall upper cofferdam constructed just behind the entrances to the diversion tunnels. Then they had a 60 feet tall lower cofferdam downstream. Cofferdams consist of rock, dirt, chunks of concrete. When it was piled high enough and thick enough and spanned the entire width of the Colorado River, then as the river is flowing from north to south, it would bounce off of it and be naturally redirected into the nearest open diversion tunnel to move that water around the constructed site. That lower cofferdam, its only job really was to prevent any backwash or backflow of the Colorado River from reaching the site as well. Then they went back to where the Hoover Dam stands today. And a 16-ton bucket of concrete, or an 8 cubic yard bucket of concrete, was then delivered every 78 seconds, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, non-stop for 2 straight years, day and night, till they built the dam. All in total, that was 6.6 million tons of concrete that made Hoover Dam. Or there's enough concrete at Hoover Dam today to build a 2-lane highway from San Francisco to New York City, right? So once the dam was finished, they went back upstream and they closed off each of the diversion tunnels. So once they did that, water flowing from north to south is bouncing off the cofferdam, but can no longer go into the diversion tunnels. The second one is parked just above the last generator. So these bridge cranes span the width of the room, and as you can see, they both went up and down this entire length of this power plant. These bridge cranes up here can lift.
We should check what you were saying.
A few moments later.
So the first one is Tony Tango Weezy from Tasmania.
It's like so soft.
Yeah, exactly. So
It reminds me of
like
apple juice.
No, it's like watered down apple juice.
Yeah.
The Mazoe blackberry from Malawi. I like this one. Actually, a vitamin water for some reason.
Like we have like a water in your nose.
It reminds me of vitamin water for some reason.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. It's like super good.
I like it.
I like
It kind of
it.
tastes something, but I don't know what's called.
I like
We
it.
just said it. Well, to me, it's like vitamin water.
Next, Andrew, you start with number 4. It's Fanta pineapple.
What's up?
You want more or no?
That one's good.
I
I
think I'm
like
okay
it.
right now.
I don't know. I'm a sucker for
I like it.
Ooh,
I like pineapple.
that's really good. That's really good. That's really good.
I like it. Yeah.
Oh, suck. This one was good.
Pretty good.
That's
This one's
really good.
Yeah. Number 5 is called the Del Val Jamaica and Nada from Mexico.
So this one.
That's a four-
I got
four
this one.
for each.
I got this one. Good.
That's good.
There's a little spill. That was actually pretty good.
It doesn't beat the pineapple though. It's good, but it doesn't beat the pineapple.
It does have the Jamaica.
Yeah, I like the pineapple way better.
This is good. Wait, for me, I just down this.
I'd rather have 3 and 4 over 5. This is the
Fanta Colita
Costa Rica.
from Costa Rica.
Alright, next up.
I thought it was spilled. No, I took this down. Which one's this one? It kind of tastes like candy.
Like cough syrup and candy.
Yeah.
So it's number
cough drops.
it's number 6, Fanta Colita,
It tastes like cough
Costa
drops.
Rica.
It does kind of a little
I
bit.
like cough drops.
It does.
Alright, so this is Kid Strawberry from Panama.
Panama?
Panama.
Strawberry. Not strawberry.
Strawberry drinks this.
Oh, you know what I mean. With a SD.
I think it's all because we're living at his house. So
Yeah, you take the whole thing.
you take the whole thing.
We'll find out. Let's go.
Next up, thumbs up. Heads up, 7-Up.
Okay.
Which is this one?
From India.
Yeah. Thanks for doing this together though. So. That's good. Yeah, you got the rest.
We'll see.
Okay.
We had to cheers this one, y'all. Cheers.
Thumbs up. Was it Indian?
It's decent.
Yeah. Has no sugar.
It tastes like a watered down Coke to me.
No, it tastes like Diet Coke but worse.
It does.
Yeah.
For me, it tastes like a watered down Coke.
Oh, I'll
No,
take it.
It's Diet Coke but worse.
No, I know, but for me though, it tastes like a watered down Coke. To me.
This is like the
Number 1 is Beverly from Italy.
oh damn.
Oh my god, that
Oh damn. The aftertaste is terrible.
that was strong.
Oh no, I'm not drinking this.
That tasted like medicine.
Like grapefruit, dude.
No, it tasted like medicine.
Who drinks this?
I mean, at first it's okay, but once the aftertaste kicks in,
Oh my god.
Sorry for you guys, but I have this with me.
It's like, I don't know, I get like alcohol. It's like something, they put vodka in this motherfucker or something.
can't stand it.
Oh my god, I drink the whole thing.
From Zimbabwe. Sparberry. Spar Pineapple Fanta.
Okay, that kills the kick.
Oh, that's a lot better.
You might want 2.6. Here's one that you really like.
Aftertaste from that Italy.
The first one was terrible.
That was terrible,
The
man.
worst Coca-Cola drink I've had. Worst Coca-Cola drink I've had.
Got the third
Sprite
one,
Cucumber. Ooh.
which is from Russia.
That looks like water.
Probably bad.
Well, cucumber though. Okay.
That's okay.
Refreshing though.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. It's not bad.
Aquarius.
From
Spain.
From Spain. Ooh. It must be lovely.
I think the last four is gonna be.
I'm kind of scared with this one now because I don't know how strong it's gonna be.
From Spain. Oh, they low key put tequila in it.
Oh, imagine. Imagine.
It could be really bad and I'm the one.
All right.
Get turned up, baby.
Oh shit, this is really good.
That's surprising.
Aquarius, I like it.
All right, guys.
Yeah.
This is the
So
Fanta
number
melon
5.
frosty from Thailand.
Oh yeah. Anything from Thailand's the way to go.
I think we definitely need to brush our teeth after this.
No.
Our teeth, because this is a lot of sugar.
Ooh, this is good too. Ooh.
I like Aquarius more.
Yeah, but this one's not bad to me.
Okay. The next one will be
The Feastberry tea from Georgia.
for Georgia.
It's decent.
It's decent, yeah.
It tastes like
It's like tea. Well, it is tea.
it tastes
though.
like Arizona drink.
A little bit, yeah.
We got from Peru. I think.
Okay, I don't want any more.
No,
So smell
I
it,
don't want any
smell
more.
it. Smells like freaking candy.
not the taste. It's okay.
We got the last one, guys,
I'm scared for that.
from China. It's called Fanta Sour Foam.
Let me go first for that one.
Oh, whoa. This has a strong smell to it.
That's why I didn't smell it.
Wait,
Whoa.
what is it?
Smell it.
It has a strong smell to it. Like to me though.
That's kind of that's that smell.
Chug it, chug it, chug it.
Chug it. I'm not drinking it.
No, you gotta try it,
I'm not drinking
Try
it.
it.
Try it.
Try it.
God, it's terrible. Even if you don't like it, spit it out, but try it.
Oh my god.
Stop! No! Just stop it!
No. Terrible.
Pussy.
Oh my god. Oh Oh, dude, that is China. I have high expectations for you.
They say they have it in Japan, but
No, Japan, they go for Pepsi.
No, but they were.
I gotta rinse my mouth after this.
Okay.
All right.
Sorry about you guys.
Sorry.